6:25 on a Thursday, Greg.
It's like, wait, what is it?
I wanted to say Friday. Like the words Friday wanted to come out, but I had to say Thursday because then, I would just be making stuff up. So that's no good. We don't want to do that.
It's Friday Eve, though.
That's right. It is Friday Eve. And it's also time for News of the Strange.
Yes.
Take a look. We've got a sweet dog story for you. A puppy is lucky to be alive after falling into a hole and getting stuck. Look, the firefighters say the puppy was trapped in PVC piping at an apartment complex near Atlanta. The fire and emergency crews, they used heavy equipment to rescue the cute little puppy. The puppy was shaken, as you can see, just a little nervous there, like what's going on, but was okay, and reunited with its owner, a 4-year-old girl. Oh, sweet puppy.
Yeah, I have to say kudos. They pulled out all the stops. I mean, that's heavy equipment they brought in there.
They did.
They dug up half an apartment complex.
I know. Oh, so cute. All right, pet therapy is popular at many retirement homes. See, we have more dog stories for my dog lovers out there. This is a story out of Pennsylvania. One golden retriever is getting as much as he's giving. From his wagging tail to his nuzzling nose, you can see the love Tanner has for everybody. How sweet. It's just he can't see. Now, a disease unique to the breed took Tanner's sight and eyes 2 years ago. But residents say his lack of sight doesn't hamper him at all. That's right, Tanner still remembers everyone and makes visits once a week.
Aww.
Oh, so sweet. And this week was a big one for a 3-year-old girl in South Carolina. She got to leave a hospital, a place that she's been since she was a baby, and she got a new friend to take with her.
This is such a cool story. I read this.
This is a great story.
Yeah.
Sapphire Johnson is the proud owner of Lieutenant Dan, an 8-week-old white German Shepherd puppy. Sapphire was born with a congenital condition that cost her both of her feet. Hospital officials say she felt an immediate connection with Lieutenant Dan after she noticed he was missing most of his right paw. Oh, so sweet.
And it's so adorable.
It is.
Wow.
I'm just so happy that she gets to get out of the hospital.